Hey there, I'm Suzanne Sanders. On Valentine's Day, I'm planning on spending some time with you doing romances in the cards. We all have questions about love, whether it's how to keep it, how to find it, how to make it go away in some horrible cases. We'll be talking about how tarot cards can help answer all those questions. Now, why tarot? Sure, they're pretty to look at, but the reason they're so good for this is they've been around a long time and they synthesized a lot of inner knowledge through the centuries. And it works right away. It's very simple. I'll take you through it step by step. You don't need a deck to take the class, though I'll bet you'll want one by the time we're done. And I'll help you pick out a good one. I got my first deck at 15, and you can see behind me, I've got 500 plus of them. I can't leave them alone. They've kept me interested all this time, and I want you to have the chance to be interested as well. So Tuesday, February 14th, 1 to 2:30 p.m., hybrid. So you can go to the Chesapeake Forum classroom at the YMCA and see the cards for yourself, or you can watch us on Zoom. Is it a date? I hope so.